Good morning, guys. It is the morning of the party and I'm gonna get started on a balloon garland that I need to make, and I'm also waiting on the bounce house and a balloon decor that they're bringing as well. And here's Brandon. Are you ready for the party? Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making this balloon arch. So then I have to pick up the cake, and then I have to finish decorating the backyard, and then I'm gonna get ready and we'll have ourselves a party. My previous video, I showed you guys everything that I bought for this party, so I'm going to show you guys really quick the colors that come in this balloon garland. And it is burgundy and pink and white. I'm going to use this balloon garland to put it over the bounce house because we did rent a white bounce house, so it's an all white bounce house. It doesn't have any decor on it, and I like that because it's a little bit more classy. This party is for a 21-year-old, so I wanted to like mix it a little bit, some kiddie stuff but not too much, and I think the white bounce house was perfect. So I do want to decorate it with balloons. And also, guys, I do decorate it for you, but if I did want a balloon garland on the bounce house, it was really expensive, and you guys know me, I love to save money, so I decided to just do it myself, and we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing this for. So I'm gonna get started. Hopefully I don't take too long because it is the day of the party and I do want to get ready, and I have a few other things to do, and I'll show you guys at the end how this garland turns out. So it's a mess. It is a mess.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah?
What happens if we run out of balloons?
Oh, well, we hope not, because we need them. We need a lot of them. We have a lot, huh? So I'm finally done decorating. I finished that balloon garland that I was showing you guys I was making, and it turned out so pretty.
Beautiful.
Look, guys, I'm serious. This video is not gonna do it justice. There's Kayla helping me finishing decorating. So let's walk through really quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I decorated this party. All the stuff I bought on Amazon turned out, and how pretty this looks. This is for a Barbie theme party, guys. Okay, guys, so for my tables, I went with the fuchsia table cover from Amazon, and then I went with the sequins lighter pink. I didn't put bow ties on all the chairs because then it starts to look a little messy, and I really don't like that, but I just like the simple look, pretty clean like this. And then here are more tables, all the tables, and voila, my garland. It turned out better than I thought. And then we're gonna turn this way, and here's the little bar area. I used an Amazon sign that says "Come on Barbie, let's go party." The 21 number sign. I put a little disco ball up there, so that's the little bar area. Some more tables, and then right here we have, it's gonna be the little this is gonna be the little sweets table. I kept it simple, didn't want to put much on the background just because the table's already gonna look a little overwhelming with all the cookies, cupcakes, and goodie bags. They look so perfect. Oh yeah, guys, let me remind you guys, this is for a 21st birthday, so that's why there's not much going on. And then, guys, my box that I made, let me fix this real quick. This is the Barbie box that I ended up making, DIYing to tie in with the party. It looks so cute. And then I do have a little present table right here. We always just do a little table because most people just bring gift cards, so I usually just make a little small table for gifts. And when we turn this way, this is my entrance to my house. Then we have this beautiful backdrop I did pay for this one, guys, because I don't have the time to make it, but it turned out so pretty. Do you like it? Oh, it looks good. Your shirt looks good. The color looks good. So this is before the party, guys. Okay, let's gonna go get ready right now. But
Definitely. I should just show up like this. I'll be like, this would be the test to see who really loves me. If they don't go leaving the party because I look like this.
But this is a gorgeous backdrop. I absolutely love it. From this angle, guys, if I walked out of my house, this is what you walk into. Beautiful backdrop. And awesome bounce house. Little nice setup for a Barbie theme party. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. If you guys are interested, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting a little video of the actual party. So make sure that you guys hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.